question tonight is that were Hindus being treated as second-class citizens in their own country prior to 2014? And Vivek Srivastava, I want to ask you that question. And that is the question on which the unity of the India alliance actually comes. Kya hai? All of us will get our regional caste votes together. All of us will get the minority votes together, because all that we want to do is keep the BJP out. So the premise is only that Hindu votes consolidation behind the BJP and behind Prime Minister Narendra Modi has to be stalled at all costs. What does that make the India alliance? Doesn't it make it anti-Hindu? And this, getting the vote jihad in place, isn't this pro-Muslim appeasement politics that is being carried out and the only principle on which the India alliance has come together?
India alliance is consolidation of India, the idea of India and Indians as a whole. And India alliance doesn't want to consolidate on the basis of religion or caste, like the RSS and BJP wants to do. Mr. Mohan Bhagwat is highly rattled. He's rattled because tomorrow both the election results of Haryana and of Kashmir are not going to go the BJP way. And mass Hindu Samaj reject karega Haryana or Kashmir mein, khaskar Jammu mein kal. And that is why the RSS doesn't know what to do. The Hindu Samaj have also rejected the divisive politics of the RSS and the Sangh. The girls who are fighting, the wrestler girls, वो कुश्ती वाली लड़कियां, they were not Hindus. 65,000 women, cases of women atrocities in UP, they are not Hindus. Mr. Mohan Bhagwat, why didn't he come to Jantar Mantar and stand with Vinesh Fogart? She was not a Hindu. So all this loose talk of Hindu consolidation and showing that the Hindus are in danger, exploitation of Hindus by Hindus for 70 years, all this is rejected. Indians are progressive, Hindus are progressive, and the Hindus and the Muslims are going to march hand in hand and take India forward. Anand Ranganathan जितना मर्जी rant कर ले, Mohan Bhagwat जितना मर्जी भाषण दे दे. अब इनके rejection, the beginning of the end has started. Your same logic of Hindu khatre mein, even at the time of Mughals,
beginning
Hindu
of
was
the
not
end.
in khatra.
Beginning of the end has
Hindu
started.
was not in khatra.
Very, very serious words, Vivek Srivastava. What do you mean by beginning of the end? आप कह रहे हैं कि हिंदुओं का beginning of the end has started because BJP's numbers have started to come down. Anand Ranganathan, but that is not divisive. That is unifying the country together. Beginning of the end for Hindus.
Navika, I just want to ask a very simple question to my good friend Vivek.
BJP and the RSS.
Vivek, I didn't interrupt you. I didn't interrupt you. And tomorrow, yes, the BJP is going to get a shock defeat in Jammu and Kashmir and Haryana, and the communists are going to win a landslide. So Vivek is right there. Both Haryana में इनको landslide मिलने वाली है और जम्मू कश्मीर में भी, जैसे देश में मिली है. But I want to ask a very simple question to Vivek. Vivek, was Nasrallah a terrorist, and was it right for lakhs of Kashmiri Muslims to march in his remembrance? Yes or no? ज़्यादा इधर-उधर की बात मत करो, हाँ या ना में जवाब दो.
I think you no. Yes, हाँ या ना में जवाब देने का आपको बड़ा शौक है, तो थोड़ा सा 10 सेकंड सुन लीजिए आप मेरी बात को. हिजबुल्लाह, सर सुनिए पहले अब आप.
Was he a terrorist? Yes or no?
10 सेकंड दीजिए मुझको.
Terrorist or not?
आप 10 सेकंड दीजिए, उत्तर लीजिए
Okay,
ना.
10 सेकंड में बताइए, was he a terrorist or not?
आंसर ही नहीं है.
Was he a terrorist or not? In 10 seconds, please answer.
हाँ, please, 10 seconds.
Okay, your time starts now.
Yes, Hezbollah is a political entity participating in the political process in Lebanon, just like Netanyahu's party participates in Israel. Either they are both terrorists or none is a terrorist.
Oh,
either Netanyahu
Nasrallah is a political,
or none is a terrorist.
Political entity. Nasrallah is a political entity. Waris Pathan, Nasrallah is a political entity. Is Nasrallah a political entity? Please tell me, Waris Pathan, where do you stand on that?
Well,
in Lebanon, yes, Hezbollah is a political entity.
Well, Navika, I'll answer to your question, but I was listening to my good friend Ajay Alok. Anand Ranganathan today totally lost in the debate, and I would request him to send me the Mysore Park. He has not sent me. Even I heard Tehsin, so I would like to reply all three, and I'll come back to your question as well. Ajay Alok spoke about France, he took name of Bangladesh, he spoke about Iran, Tehran, everything. He forgot to mention Palestine. Why? In Palestine, lakhs of people have been killed. Genocide took place. People are homeless. Israel has attacked them with all kind of facilities. Small children, infants have been massacred. Genocide took place. They won't say anything about that. Though our country stands with Palestine. Mahatma Gandhi to Atal Bihari Vajpayee, everybody stood with
What
Palestine.
triggered
Even Jai Shankar stood with Palestine. We even sent aid to
What
them.
triggered
But
that?
they won't stand with Palestine. They will stand with Israel. Why? The reason being, because Palestine Musalman hai.
No, what triggered
That is
that?
why I say the hatred which they have inculcated in the minds of the
Nahi,
people
what
of the
triggered
country, that is clearly
India
shown. And
and
now they say
Palestine
that
run not
Hindu
like-
khatre mein.
Ajay Alok,
No, no.
rapid fire with Waris Pathan. I'm